Hi, this is Miss Chalone from Hegel Elementary, here for another keyboard lesson. Today we're going to be doing Song 10, Always Awful. Now Song 10 uses something called an extended hand position. So far we have been using just the notes C, D, E, F, and G, which fit like this in our hand. But this song uses A as well. It's on the second space there. And our A that we're going to be using is higher than our G, so it's one note higher. So we're going to put our fifth finger now on the A, which means that our ring finger is now going to be on G. And then our other fingers are just kind of going to float in the middle here where we'll be using them down here for this song, but they can kind of cover a little bit. So we're using something called an extended hand position where the pinky now goes on A, the ring finger or fourth finger goes on G, the thumb is still on C, and these fingers are just kind of floating in between, okay? So first I'm just going to play Always Awful all the way through. Here's what it sounds like. Now I bet you really heard some patterns in this song. In fact, this song is really only 2 measures long. We have the first measure, which is then repeated and repeated again, and then a new measure. And then we have that first measure again, repeated, repeated, and then that same new measure there. So it's really only 2 measures long, this one and this one. So our first line, our first measure is C, A, G, G, A, and there's those eighth notes again, so they go a little faster. So we have C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A. And since we have 2 in the first line and then 1 more in the second line, let's just go ahead and do it 3 times, okay? C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A. Okay, let's do that again. C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A. Now some of you might be tempted to just keep your hand position the same and just do this little hopping thing. But that's not proper piano technique, and we do have 88 keys if we're on a full keyboard or full piano, and so with only 10 fingers, we want to use all of them as much as possible, so we do have to eventually go out of that 5-finger pattern. So we're just going to extend it again to that A on that G, on that A, fifth finger on the A, ring finger on the G, thumb still on the C. C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, C, you probably have that part, so let's just learn the second part now, which is this measure right here. E, E, D, D, C. Simple enough. Let's say that again. E, E, D, D, C. Let's give it a try. E, E, D, D, C. Remember, that's a half note. E, E, D, D, C. E, E, D, D, C. E, E, D, D, C. So now we're going to do that first measure 3 times, and then the new measure after it. And remember, our third finger is going to come for that E, so that's when that shift is going to kind of happen. So here we have C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, E, E, D, D, C. Let's do that again. C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, E, E, D, D, C. And these 2 lines are exactly what we just did. They're the same as these 2 lines. So you really know the whole song already. So here we go. Ready? C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, E, E, D, D, C. C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, C, A, G, G, A, E, E, D, D, C. All right, that's it. Happy practicing.